Hello everyone. Welcome to Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. It provides real education. I'm Srinivas Reddy. I'm a director of this Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how we conduct industrial training and internship programs in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. As we all know that Rainbow was established in 2011 in Hyderabad. As of now, we have three branches. One is at Hyderabad and Bangalore and Vizag. So far, there are many students successfully completed this program in Rainbow Farmer Training Lab. If you already completed this program in Rainbow, kindly provide your genuine experience and your feedback in comment box so that it assists many new students who are willing to do the same program in Rainbow Farmer Training Lab. Before how we conduct a industrial training and internship programs in Rainbow Farmer Training Lab, first I want to clarify that what is basic difference between the doing the industrial training and internship programs in pharma industry and doing the same program in training centers. Because the many students have a doubt, what is the best? For example, doing the same program in the pharma industry and doing the same program in training centers, which is the best? First, I want to clarify that, and after that, I'm going to explain that how we conduct the industrial training or internship programs in Rainbow. First, let's understand that if you get an opportunity to do the same program in pharma industry, you will get the advantage that you can observe that how industry works, and also you can understand that the culture of pharma industry, because you definitely you go to the many days, you spend many time, so much of time in pharma industry, so that you can understand many things by observing the people, by observing of department, and by observing of each and every department, because that is a good opportunity to understand that how industry works, how pharma industry works, and how the what is the culture of pharma industry. But the major disadvantage to do the program in pharma industry, generally they don't allow you to operate any analytical instrument. That is one of the basic disadvantages to do the industrial training and internship programs in pharma industry, because the industry works rules and regulations, the industry works according to the pharmacopoeias and the guidelines. According to guidelines, generally for internship program students or industrial training program, generally they don't allow you to operating instrument. And the second disadvantage is that no one is not going to teach you anything. Only the thing is that you should observe and you should learn all the things. But whereas in the training centers, the very advantage is that these training centers meant for these programs, definitely these training centers develop a very strong programs for the students. And also here you are going to attend a few classes, and also you are going to allow you we are going to allow you to operate a few analytical instrument in this program. Try to understand, because the students have a many doubts that which is the best. That see, I'm not telling that if you get an opportunity to do the industrial training program or internship programs in pharma industry, that also good. But the major advantage is that you will get a environment of pharma industry, and you will understand the functions of each and every department. But that only by observation only you should understand, but no one is not going to teach you, and no one is not going to allow you to operating of analytical instrument. But whereas in the training centers, definitely we conduct a few classes to understand about the pharma industry, and also we are going to allow you to operate a few analytical instruments in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. Immediately you may get doubt, sir, what are the technology, what are the instruments we have in the pharma industry? Do we have same instruments in training centers? Why not? Let us take, if you take any analytical instrument, so what are the technology we have in the pharma industry? Same technology, same instruments we are maintaining in our training centers. That's very important point. Okay, so hope you understand which is the best to do the industrial training program and internship programs. Whether it is a good into the pharma industry, whether it is a good into the training center, that up to you, you can take a decision. And coming to the Rainbow Pharma Training Lab, I'm going to explain that how we conducted this industrial training and internship programs in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. The duration of these programs we put for 1 month. That means if you join anytime, you can join anytime. It's not like this day, this time we start the new batch. Is not like that. But if you want to get an admission for the industrial training and internship program, we need a prior information, because we have some MOUs with a few colleges. Generally, those colleges used to send the people into the Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. So if you take any college, generally they send 30 to 40 students of each and every batch, so that you should have a prior information that you should take a enrollment for that. Okay, so that is a one thing. And second, coming to the here, so the program duration is 1 month. In this 1 month, every day you have to come down to the institute around 3 to 4 hours. In these 3 to 4 hours, first 15 days we conduct a few theory classes, and we are going to teach you about the pharmaceutical industry, and we don't teach anything about your academic track, and we are very much focusing on what is the bulk industry. We are going to teach that what is the bulk industry, what is the formulation industry, what are the departments we have in the pharma industry, and what is the role of each and every department. Let us take, if you take AR&D department, we are going to teach you complete that what is the function of AR&D, and what is method development, what is method validation, what is the method transfer. Like that, we are going to conduct a few very strong effective classes first 15 days. After that, we allow you to enter into the lab. In that lab, you are going to operate, you are going to perform wet analysis in this program. In that wet analysis, you are going to operate the all analytical instruments like MC and the disintegration time and friability, and you are going to handle the balance, and you are going to handle the pH meter, so that what are the wet analysis is there. That wet analysis, we give you a sample to you, and we conducted training that how to operate those analytical instrument. And after that, you are going to perform the all wet analysis in this program. So hope you understand how we conduct a industrial training or internship programs in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. So the duration of the course is 1 month, and you have to come down to the around 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours every day. First 15 days, we conduct a few classes, very effective classes, and we are not going to teach anything about your academic. We are going to teach you something related to, which is very important knowledge in the pharma industry. And after 15 days, you are going to perform all the wet analysis in our laboratory. In that wet analysis testing, you are going to perform you are going to handle all the analytical instruments regarding of this wet analysis. And after completion of these 30 days, we conduct some mock interviews. So once if you clear the mock interview, we issue the certification according to your requirement. Try to understand. So this is the entire program of the industrial training program and internship programs in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab.